I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza in Roblox. Open Roblox Studio and load your pizza game map, then place a workbench and food spawner. Add interactive ingredients with click detectors and script a baking station that changes item states when heated. Test interactions in play mode, debug collisions, and refine timings. Save your place, publish updates, and invite friends to try the pizza shop to gather feedback and improve gameplay. Start by designing a compact kitchen layout with clear workflows for cooking and serving. Use simple parts, anchored plates, and decorative textures to guide players and define stations. Add a counter, oven, dough station, and ingredient shelves positioned for smooth movement. Place prompts and click detectors within reach so interactions feel natural. Test each area, iterate on spacing, and refine visuals to help players cook pizzas quickly and enjoyably. In scripting interactions, focus on reliable state changes and clear player feedback for each action. Use remote events for client-server communication and validate purchases on the server to prevent exploits. Implement a pizza state machine that tracks dough, topped, baked, boxed, and sold states with animations and sounds. Record sales to a data store and reward players with in-game currency for completed orders. Keep code modular, comment scripts, and test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.